Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting activation now. First, confirm your Android model supports eSIM and that your carrier issued a QR or activation code. Once confirmed, connect to Wi-Fi or stable cellular and backup important settings. This prevents surprises. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then SIMs or Mobile Network, and choose Add eSIM. When prompted, use the camera to scan the carrier QR code or enter the activation code manually. This begins the secure profile download, which registers your device with the carrier. Once the profile downloads, tap Install and allow the system to apply network settings. This usually takes 30 to 90 seconds. Make sure you name the profile clearly, work, personal, or travel, so you can switch fast. Next, choose whether the eSIM will be your default for mobile data, calls, and messages. This matters because Android uses defaults for billing and data routing. If you have a physical SIM too, use the SIMs menu to set primary line and adjust roaming or data saver preferences before testing. You're nearly done. Verify the eSIM by testing mobile data, making a call, and sending an SMS while watching for signal bars and the carrier name. Once confirmed, if you're replacing a physical SIM, power cycle the phone and remove the old SIM to avoid conflicts. If something goes wrong, restart the phone, reapply the eSIM profile, or remove and reinstall it. Make sure you have the original QR or activation code and your MA available before contacting carrier support for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.